Hi everyone, in continuation with the previous video, I am going to discuss a type of conversion called implicit conversion. So implicit conversion, otherwise called as type or automatic conversion, that is, this is done automatically by the compiler when we assign a value of one type to another. So see this example which I have used for the type conversion to discuss regarding type conversion. So there we use like integer data type, and then I use the format specifier as %d. Here instead I have used the data type as float and format specifier as %f. So hence I have got the output as 2.000. So though I have got a floating point value, still there is an error. That is, we need the output as 2.5, so that we didn't get it. So still there is an error in this program. And that I'm giving you two more examples. I'm assigning a value called 9 to a floating point variable x, and then I'm using an format specifier %f to print it. So hence I've got the output as 9.000. So this is programmatically also this is correct. Output also we have got the correct output. So not a problem in this. This is, see here, this is what automatic conversion, this is what implicit conversion over here. I have given x is equal to 9, which is an integer value. This automatically converts to the floating point value, and it has given us the output as 9.000. So the next program is, I've used int x is equal to 9.99. I have used a floating point value, but I have assigned it to an integer data. So I'm trying to print it like I've used the format specifier %d. So I've got the output as 9. So still there is an error. So where did this 0.99 go off? So still we didn't get the proper output. So hence there is some error in this program and the previous program. We didn't get the proper output. So what we have to do? Stay tuned for the next video.